Hi, this is Stevie reading a poem right now. You can tell the difference, right? Because I don't have that twang. I do a sneeze and hiccup a little bit. My hair is a little bit different. Yeah. But sometimes that twang wants to just creep in. So I looked up the informal way of saying hello in Russian, and it's Privyet. So if I said that wrong, I'm so sorry. I also wanted to say, I hope it's okay that I do this. I'm a rhymer, I'm a poet, I know it. That I already heard, I watch YouTube a lot to watch the Christian contemporary, the latest songs and videos, and I watched a video, Home Free, and very great band. The video was beautiful. It was filmed. It looked like to me in Upper Colorado in the mountains because there was snow in the mountains, and in the valley there was a beautiful white church, the kind of church that reminded me of the churches that I went to when I was little. Um, the small Southern Baptist churches where we had 20 people that day, we were happy and praising God. So I hope it's okay I mention you guys because you are really great. And I liked you on Facebook and on YouTube. I subscribe to you now, so now it's your turn to subscribe to me. Let me be in one of your videos, okay? I'm a good actor. I have proof. Alrighty, excuse me. This is called Tears. I went and just went to see what people were reading today, and this is what people have been reading today. Tears. Achoo! I think it's from 2014. It doesn't matter. Okay. I dreamt my loved ones were lost, and I was searching for them, but could not see through the thick pea soup-like fog. Achoo! Excuse me. Everything looked the same as I turned the corner again. Hadn't I just been there? Achoo! Excuse me. I asked for help, but no one would come to my aid. I just knew I had to find them before it was too late. Achoo! Oh, I'm so sorry. I just can't help myself. Then I woke up, disturbed even more. Were my loved ones lost forever? Would I ever know for sure? I only knew I could not save them, and that saddened me to the core, and the tears flowed. We cannot save people. We can only plant seeds. So, not only we plant seeds, okay? What I'm doing right now is planting seeds. So what if I throw in a hiccup or a sneeze? Or the southern twang, if I get somebody to watch, yeah, I'm going to do it. So just deal with it, okay? Hebrews 10:23. Let us hold unswervingly to the hope we profess, for he who promised is faithful. So I'm going to go now for the day because hubby's on his way home. And, you know, it's easier to act in front of a very large group of people than just one. So if my hubby's here, I make him put his headphones on, and I don't know. It's easy to act true to myself with myself. Just have fun. So, hey, you know, I'm disabled. Give me a break. I'm pulling my disabled card. So let me have fun. I can barely walk or stand or sit, so I have to go lie down now and take my medicine for the afternoon. Sound this old. Okay, God bless you, yours, and your ministry. Remember that Jesus loves you. All right. See you later, alligator.